Hey everyone, my name is Mrs. Mack and I'm here today to show you how to use the UBTech EDU app to create your robotic catapult. So the first thing you need to do is you need to launch the app, and it's going to look like this, the UKIT EDU. Okay, so I'm going to click there. And now it's going to start here with you. It's going to ask what level do you want to select. Well, you as middle schoolers have the intermediate level. Okay, so that's the second one here, the blue one. Click intermediate level. And then you will start seeing all the different projects that you can make. We are going to be making the catapult this week. And so that is down here towards the end. There we go. Number 14 is the catapult. So you can click on 14. And then the catapult will be right here in the middle. Click on that. And yes, we are going to start building the catapult. So what you see right now are your step-by-step directions. It's really a wonderful platform that they have here at UKIT. So I want to take you through it a little bit. So the first part is right up here. Okay, see these numbers? It gives you like a bit of a fraction. It says 1 out of 101. Well, this means you were on step 1. See that it's yellow? That's saying the step that you're on. And then this one, the second number, is how many steps there are total. 101 steps to build this entire catapult. Seems like a lot, but it's not going to be too bad. Right underneath the the numbers, you have the actual pieces that you will need to grab for this step. So you can click on it and it gives you a bigger picture of it, and it tells you what it is, the main control box, or they also call it the MCB here, the main control box. This is basically the brain of the computer, of the robot. So this is the computer part itself that holds the information to be able to give and control the robot. Okay, so another thing that you want to notice is that over here on the right-hand side, this is the finished part. Now this is just the frame that you are creating today. Tomorrow you'll be creating the arm, and this picture will change once you've created the frame. Okay, so right now it's just giving you the final picture of what the frame looks like. Now something that's really cool down here is here's the piece in the middle that you are using, and you can spin it around if you need to. Okay, so it's a really nice piece. Let me give you an example as to why you might want to do that. Say you've grabbed this piece and you're ready for the next one. Okay, so I hit this forward arrow. There we go. And so now I need 4 of these red connectors. Now not exactly sure what side I want it to be on. So what I can do is I can turn it a little bit and I can see, oh, I want 2 down here on the right side, 2 down here on the left side, and I want to make sure it's the side that has the connecting pieces that say 1, 2, 3 on it. Okay, so that way I know that I'm not using this side right here that says 4, 5, 6. All right, so going back. Okay, so it's just a nice way to move around and be able to really get a good look at where all these pieces are going. So once I put those 4 connecting pieces in, I click the next button and up. So now I have 2 of these right angle joints, these red right angle joints. Make sure though you have a 2 by 3, right? So here's your 2 holes by 3 holes, a 2 by 3. So you might have to look very carefully in your kits because there could be another piece that looks just like this, but maybe it's a 3 by 3 or maybe it's a 2 by 4. So you want to make sure you're grabbing the right pieces at each time. And again, you can manipulate this, turn this around, and so it can show you exactly where you are putting those. Once I finish this step, I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then notice it turns to the back for me. And I'm grabbing 4 more of those red connecting pieces and putting it on the back side. And I just keep clicking next and next and next as I continue to build along. Remember, move it around so you can really get a good look, especially when you get to these yellow pieces. These yellow connecting pieces are very different looking, so you got to make sure you're grabbing the right one. Again, click on the picture, and there it is. It shows you exactly which brick you want. All right. Now, say you get really far along and you need to back up a little bit. This down here will help you scroll and will move you a little bit faster along. instead of just having to click one at a time. That could take you a little longer. So this right here just speeds it along for you, the steps. Now, this gray line right here, that is the end of making the frame, okay? So today, your goal is to get through step 67, get all the way down, because once you start 68, notice the picture changes here, and now you are starting on the arm, and that's going to be tomorrow's activity. All right, good luck.